Welcome back to Learning with the Difference news headlines in English for 25th of June. And first of all, national news. Indian Air Force started registration process for Agnipath scheme. Your presence defaming Assam. Congress leader asked Sena rebels to leave flood-hit state. Gujarat riots. Supreme Court confirmed clean chit to PM. BJP's response. India on Friday successfully flight tested the vertical launch short range surface to air missile from a ship at Integrated Test Range, Chandipur, off the coast of Odisha. Prayer lamp triggered fire in Noida doctor's 3-story bungalow, 13 trapped. Jet Airways begin hiring again. The company has said that it has received as many as 700 CVs within 5 hours. And now some international news. Support talks between Russia and Ukraine. BRICS nations said in declaration. Commonwealth nations free to chart own course. Prince Charles. Rishi Sunak's chances as UK PM have crashed from 40% to 5% according to bookies. Largest female python ever caught in Florida weighs 215 pounds. In major setback, Boris Johnson's party lost 2 parliamentary bypolls. Bipartisan, life-saving, US Senate passed gun control bill after decades. 4 killed in Russian cargo plane crash. And now some sports news. IPL will be number 1 sports property in the world, Lalit Modi. 105-year-old Rambai completed the 100-meter race to set a new record. The Pakistan Cricket Board on Friday introduced separate red ball and white ball cricket central contracts respectively for the first time in history. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.